Do you want to earn money every month which is sustainable and which you know that it will be there every month? Well, I've got the solution for you. I've joined a company where you get paid 5 times a month, every Thursday as well as every end of the month. You don't have to sell anything to anybody. You only have to refer people to this wonderful company. And you help them and assist them to, if they are interested, to get into the company. So I want to tell you today, there's no need for suffering anymore. There's no need to be in a financial situation. If you've got 1,000 rand and 180 rand a month, which you don't pay me, you pay to the company, they take a debit order, then this is for you. It's a sustainable income. And it's building and building and building, and you don't have to have the short vision of it, because in 4 years' time, you can earn 6 figures a month with this company. Put a yes in my comments, and let me tell you, and let me send you the details, and you can make your own decision if you would like to join or not. Because really, if you cannot make a choice to get out of your financial situation and take this opportunity, and then I don't know. Then I don't have words. I don't have words to tell you. But put a yes in my comments. Let me send you all this stuff.